Are you looking to change your iPhone's notification sound? In this video, we'll guide you through the process. Firstly, to change the notification sound for system-wide apps, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Sound and Haptics, and review the list of all the notifications that can be customized. For example, if you wish to change the text tone, tap on it and select from the available sounds. Repeat these steps for other notifications. On the other hand, if you want to change the notification sound for a specific app on your iPhone, go to Settings. Now, navigate to Notifications and select the app for which you want to change the notification sound. Tap on Sounds to choose from the list. Keep in mind that not all apps support changing the notification tone. This video is the ultimate guide to changing notification sounds on your iPhone. Make sure to subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of our specially curated videos tailored just for you.